First, you're going to want to wash your lemon very well. Lemons can come with a waxy coating to protect them in shipping, and we're going to be eating the skin, so wash it really well. Next, you're going to want to massage your lemon on the countertop. What we're doing here is breaking up all the little juice capsules inside our citrus. This is going to allow us to get maximum juice out of it. Keep massaging until it starts to get nice and squishy. Awesome. Now it's time to zest. Grab a box grater or a microplane and just zest the very top layer of your lemon, the shiny, bright yellow layer. Now, zest is magical in food. It's amazing tossed on pasta, on seafood, in marinades and salad dressings. I can't get enough of it. So definitely make use when you're using lemon juice and always zest first. Zest freezes very well, so I keep a little baggie in my freezer for any zest I'm not going to be using right away. Now we're ready to juice our lemon. So cut it in half crosswise. See how nice and juicy that is? Grab a bowl and your juicer. If you don't have one of those, you can use a fork to juice just as well. I'm also juicing over a little hand strainer to strain out all those pesky seeds. You definitely don't want seeds in your recipe. And that's how you juice a lemon. If you like, you can candy your lemon rinds. I simmer mine in simple syrup for about an hour until they're fully saturated. Then I store them in the fridge indefinitely. Now I can chop them up and use them as garnishes on any kind of baked goods I like, cocktails, on scones. It's also really good minced up and put into granola and trail mix. Little sweet, little bitter, little sour, whole lot of flavor. Definitely give it a try. And that's how you use every part of a lemon.